Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath1067.
FamilyMath1067. We're going to take a look at three really interesting ideas that I've seen on Twitter in the last month. All somewhat involve ellipses. This one does directly. So this is from Lucas Vieira. I hope I've got close to that last name. What do you see here?
So let's see, it starts out sort of like an ellipse shape. Looks like a bunch of dots are sort of fired from one point. And then this ellipse is sort of graphing their highest point on that path that they take.
All right, so what do you think? What do you think about this idea? Are you surprised that if you basically throw a ball in a bunch of different directions, the highest point makes an ellipse?
Well, it makes sense that it depends on the angle that you throw it at. If you throw it really low, it's not going to go as high, and if you throw it higher, it's going to go, the highest point's going to be higher, but I wouldn't have thought it would make this curve shape.
What do you think about this?
It's kind of cool that it makes a perfect ellipse and not like some other spherical shape. I mean, you'd think it would be symmetrical and probably spherical, but you wouldn't think it's a perfect ellipse.
What do you mean spherical?
Like it doesn't have any points, and it's like an enclosed shape that doesn't have any points. Any like sharp edges.
Corners.
Corners, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. Do you know? Do you have any idea why this might be true?
Well, I think that all of these are also parts of ellipses, like these individual arcs. So I mean, maybe just because they're ellipses, maybe they just relate in this specific way.
Okay, yeah, that's interesting.
Has to do with the angle they're shot at too. I think they all have the same speed.
Do you know how you would go about finding these highest points?
Well, you have to find the equations for each dot, and then you could take the derivative and find where that was 0, and that's probably your highest point.
Interesting. Yeah, so maybe we make a general angle, find the highest point, say using calculus and in terms of that angle, and then we get an equation and see what it is.
Yeah.
So that's pretty neat. So this animation inspired another one by our friend Greg Egan, so we're going to take a look at that now.
Mm-hmm.